Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic, and in this video, it's not about trauma. Half of you just clicked off. But this product is very important. I'm super excited to bring it to you, and I've never seen anything like it on the market. This is a way to deliver oxygen to someone who's short of breath, but doesn't require a prescription like normal O2 cylinders do. So the R15 is made by a company called Rapid Oxygen, and it's designed for civilians to use. Oxygen cylinders, like you see, like healthcare professionals, firefighters, nurses like that use, requires a prescription. This does not. So I think we're going to use this product for someone who is short of breath, who's not able to speak in complete sentences. Maybe they're leaning forward, they're tripoding, maybe they look a little bluish gray, their color doesn't look good. Sometimes you can even see like their neck muscles right here really kind of pulling where they're just struggling to breathe. They're not talking nearly as fast as I talk. I think this product is for that person. Alright, so we'll take a quick look at the size here. You've got 8 inches tall. It's 16 inches in height and 14 inches in width and weighs 16 pounds. So to operate the machine, we would lay it flat, pull the tab off, and then rotate this green handle around. What that does is it mixes a chemical reaction inside of here. There's a few chemicals inside, and that produces oxygen for us. So rotate this around, boom. Grab the mask out of here. So this unit here is going to deliver 6 liters of oxygen via this mask right here for 15 minutes. So the mask will get a nice tight seal around the patient's face. You pull this over their head and then pull the elastic band tight to get a nice good seal here for the oxygen. Alright, so let's demonstrate it here. I've already pulled the tab off here because I want to show the mask, but we'll pull this tab off. This rotates to here. So now we have that chemical reaction going on. We pull our mask out. You can pull this tab right here to open it up, give you a little bit more cordage here. And then we're going to put this on top of our patient's face. Alright, so we pull the mask out. This is going to fit over the patient's face like this. We get a nice seal here. So pull it over. Get a nice seal. You can adjust and make it comfortable for them. Pull this tight. So now we have oxygen, 6 liters, blowing in here to the patient. So when we breathe normal air, it's 21%. When we're breathing this machine here, it's 99%. So we get a large increase of oxygen going into the bloodstream. So this unit is going to be a one-time use. Once you turn the lever and it starts flowing oxygen, it's going to flow for 15 minutes. You can't cut it off. So once you use it, it is a single-use item. So the R15 is not going to show up on your Instagram EDC pocket dump photos, but I think it definitely has its place. Anywhere that you're going to put an AED, I think you could very well put this unit and it would be very useful and has potential to save a life there. So at a school, maybe outdoors like sporting events, things like that, office complexes where you have a large gathering of people, even like airports or malls, things like that. I think this is a very good unit for something like that. An advantage that the R15 is going to have for you is that it requires no electricity, there's no batteries, anything like that. So you can purchase it, put it beside your AED, and you don't have to worry about it. Hey bud, what's going on? Oh, you're having trouble breathing? So we're going to call 911 for him. His airway is clear because in my mind he spoke to me. So I'd probably take his helmet off of him. And honestly, I'd probably take this heavy plate carrier off of him if he's having some trouble breathing. You don't want the plate carrier making him more short of breath. But we've called 911 and we're going to give him some oxygen. He has a history of asthma, so maybe he has an inhaler, maybe he doesn't. But let's put him on some oxygen because he's really struggling to talk here in my mind. Maybe he's leaning forward. He can't hardly talk. He's like, I can't breathe. Kind of paints a good picture for you, my buddy right here. So lay the unit flat. Turn the handle. So now we have oxygen going. Take our mask out. Get it nice and tight. Boom. Okay, now you can go into circulation. Let's check his pulse, maybe his skin condition, things like that. Maybe take a set of vital signs like a blood pressure. Do a pulse oximetry is another great option here. 2 downfalls I really do think you should be aware of. 1, This unit has a 2-year shelf life, so kind of limited on the shelf life, but if you're going to use this in an office, church, some kind of large gathering, I think it's worth it, because if you do use it, you're absolutely going to save someone's life. So the other thing I just want to make you guys aware about, and I'm going to read off the numbers here just to make sure I don't get them mixed up here, is storage and usage temperatures. It needs to be stored within 40 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're going to operate it, you're going to actually use it, it needs to be within a temperature range of 68 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't know that your vehicle may be the best storage plan for this unit. So I appreciate Rapid Oxygen for sending in the trainer version so I can show it to you guys, help demo that product as well. They also sent me a real one that I plan on absolutely using, this one right here. So for instance, we did a Skinny Medic trauma class a few weeks ago. Super hot. It's kind of our first really hot time of the year right now, and we had 16 students coming, and so I threw this in the truck just to have it to be prepared. Of course, we have other medical supplies in the truck. Obviously, you guys know that, but I was like, hey, why not? If something happens to a student, we would be able to deliver oxygen to them. So I threw it in the truck. Thank goodness we didn't need it. Hopefully, we don't need it. But I appreciate them sending it to me. So I'll put a link down below for more information if you're interested in purchasing this product. It is an affiliate link. It does save you 10% off, so hope that helps. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. A great picture for Instagram.